So starting off with the difference between horizontal and vertical lines. So if you're trying to remember which one's which, one way is if you look out into the ocean, it looks like a straight line across, and that's your horizon line. And so horizon line, when it goes this direction, it's horizontal. Sometimes you'll see a giant capital H with the line going this way emphasized. So I've tried to put that big capital H. Vertical though, if you're an athlete, you might know anyways what vertical is. They've got those sticks. Many of you guys have, you jump up and then you hit the sticks to see what your vertical leap is, what your vert is. So if you are gonna go this way, your vertical is this direction. Okay, so this way's vertical, this way's horizontal. Then after that, if you want to graph, if you want to write the equation of a line for a horizontal line or a vertical line, the shortcut is just remembering which axis is the line slicing through. So this one says I want to write the equation of a line that goes through -3, 2. So I've plotted that point, back 3 up 2, and you want to have a horizontal line. So if I go with the horizontal line there, do you see how that slices through the y-axis? And specifically, it's slicing through the y-axis at 2. So the equation of this horizontal line is going to be y equals 2. If you investigate that a little further, every single point on this line, if I go right 1 up 2, 1 comma 2, right 2 up 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, -1 comma 2. Every point on this line, the y of the point is a 2, and that's why it's just simply y equals 2. Okay, then for the vertical line, if I draw a vertical line through this point, it's slicing through the x-axis at -3. And so the equation of this vertical line is x equals -3. If you investigate that a little bit further, every single point on this line, the x is -3. This is -3 comma 0, -3 comma 1, -3 comma 2, -3 comma 3, and so on. Okay, so 2 ways to remember it. One way is to just look at every point on this line and realize every x is -3. Or you could say it's slicing through the x-axis, so it's x equals -3. So if it's containing 1, -4, so write 1 down 4. And if I want to put a horizontal line through that, I'm going to have a line going this direction. So for my horizontal, we have this. Now it's slicing through the y-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's slicing through at -4 equals -4. And then if I put a line that's vertical, so this direction, through this point, it's going to look like that. This purple line, it's slicing through the x-axis at 1. So the equation of this vertical line is going to be x equals 1. Okay, so really quick again, reminder, this way's horizontal, this way's vertical. One quick way to decide the equation is this blue one is slicing through the y-axis, so it's a y equals. This purple one is slicing through the x-axis, so it's an x equals. But mathematically, the reason why is every point on this purple line is 1 comma something. That's 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. Every single point on there, the x is 1. And all the points on the blue one, this one is at 1 comma -4, 2 comma -4, 3 comma negative 4, 4 comma negative 4, so my y's are always negative 4.